Very good evening to all of you students. Beta, we have already started with elements, compound and mixture. Okay, in previous two classes, we have studied about all this method of separation, what are elements, what are compounds, what are mixture. And today we are going to start with this part, okay? Yes, ma'am. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Now, yeah. Extremely sorry. Yeah. So now today, and I have given you two worksheets, beta. So we are going to discuss one of the worksheet wherein there is a lot of filling the blanks, MCQ, diagram based questions. Okay. So dash is formed by the combination of two or more element in fixed proportion. It is what is formed by mixture of two or more element. Pure substance made up of element. Basic unit of element does not have independent existence. Very good. Hey, don't shout. Don't shout. Class is going on in the neighboring class. Okay, in the adjacent class. Imaginary path orbits. The short name of an element is simple. Sugar solution is a silicon is a. Are you getting it, beta? Okay. Please, no talking. Yeah, absolutely no talking. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely no. This method is used. Okay, let us read this. For separating constituent of a mixture we differ in dash. In this method, a C means बेटा वो पता है छन्नी होता है ना बेटा, right? और T के लिए हम लोग वो छाननी यूज करते हैं. Proper size. The bigger size particles are retained by the sieves and dash one passes. So this method is used for separating what beta solids. Constituent mixture differ in their size. In this method, which are retained on the sieve bigger, and which one will pass through the one smaller. Are you getting it or not? अरे छोटा पार्टिकल वो सीव में से पास हो जाएगा छन्नी में से और बड़ा पार्टिकल ऊपर रहेगा. क्लियर है? हैंड पिकिंग मेथड इज यूज फॉर सेपरेशन ऑफ which particles. घर पे बेटा अगर बेटा इफ यू सी चावल है, चावल के अंदर पत्थर गिर गया, कंकर, तो हम लोग ऐसा हाथ से निकाल के फेंक सकते हैं कि नहीं, राइट बेटा? क्लियर है? अनवांटेड पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट इन smaller quantity and shape and size or color of the is what different the usual, right ना बेटा? कंकर का ब्लैक कलर होगा, चावल का व्हाइट कलर होगा, राइट? क्या smaller अच्छा the particle present it can be both larger or smaller. Compound dash contains two or more kind of can be broken down into two or more simpler substance by chemical means. The properties of the compound differ from the element. Water में बेटा water is liquid but hydrogen and oxygen are gas or not? I hope all of you are getting it. Hello. Hello. The component of the mixture are in varying. Okay. If you want bhel, tikha bhel, you put more chutney, mitha bhel. You have. This may be homogeneous. The component of the mixture retain and can be separated by physical. Physical. Bas. Are you getting till here? Any doubt? Beta, any doubt, any difficulty? This girl here, what's her name? Beta, Chippy Patching. Aditi, na, beta? Are you getting? Which chapter they have started? Language of chemistry in your school? Language of chemistry, na? Matter only. First chapter, that matter. Sindhi chapter. Hey, I'll give you worksheet for matter for you, beta. You just message me once if you. I'll see today if it is there. I'll give you today only. Or next class I'll bring it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think next class will be our last class for this, right? Because in May we give holiday na for this. Okay, sir. Yeah. Next class I'll be keeping test on this chapter, huh, beta? 30 to 40 marks. 30. No. Only 30 marks. Okay, chalo. Only 30. 30. It is very easy. Yeah, diagram based question will be there. Match the column will be there. MCQ will be there. Okay. हाँ. Answers will be provided. Okay. चलो बेटा आ जाओ. The pure substances which cannot be further divided element. The element X is a monoatomic, malleable, and ductile. X is metal. Element Y is inert. Y must be sulfur. Atomicity is S8. If you want to write the formula, you can write S8. Sulfur is octaatomic. A molecule contains multiple atoms of different kind. The molecule is called multiple. बोला है ना बेटा? Contains multiple atoms. So molecule of a compound. A molecule contains multiple atoms of the same kind. Molecule of element. Molecule of element. Which one is an incorrect about the compound? Components are definite, true. They are homogeneous, true. They have set of chemical properties, true. The components can be separated by physical, no. They can be separated by chemical means. Chemical means only. Carbon dioxide is a compound which is not correct. Carbon and oxygen are in fixed ratio. True. Carbon is combustible. Oxygen support combustion, but carbon dioxide is used to put out fire. True. Hey, true है ना बेटा? All carbon dioxide molecules are of the. नहीं बेटा रुचा. Wait. Carbon is combustible. Very not very. It is composed of carbon and oxygen in fixed ratio by. Wait. फिक्स रेशियो बाय मास थोड़ी है. तो मास दोनों का कितना अलग है. कार्बन का 12 है, ऑक्सीजन इज 32. सो इट इज फिक्स्ड रेशियो नहीं है ना. रेशियो 3:8 है बेटा. अच्छा, कार्बन इज कंबस्टेबल. वेट. ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट्स कंबशन बट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज यूज्ड टू पुट आउट फायर. दिस इज ट्रू. ऑल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आर ऑफ सेम काइंड. एक मिनट. हाँ बेटा, ट्रू है बेटा. इसमें सब ट्रू मुझे लग रहा है. वेट. MCQ H है ना बेटा. H. हाँ, none of these बरोबर है. All are correct. Components किसका? G का D है. ये तो किया ना. G का D. Okay. Homogeneous mixture is which one? Homogeneous mixture will be
iron plus
single phase beta. Water and alcohol.
Sir, your white thing is closing behind you.
Which one?
Salt plus one.
Hey, wait, beta. G. Yeah. H was this beta. None of these. No, all are true, na beta. So none was incorrect. A heterogeneous mixture is heterogeneous. Hetero. Oil and water. How salt and water is homogeneous beta. Which one? Okay, so sorry. This is boys here. Beta, we have to do. These are very important. Beta, in your school directly questions comes on this. Yeah, I'll tell you. But hey, this is sieving beta which we did. बस हो गया अभी मैं मारूंगा यहाँ से अभी कोई टाइम पास किया तो यहाँ पे आ जाओ चलो बेटा आ जाओ यहाँ पे फटाफट करते हैं which method we will use for a iron and sulfur which method magnetic separation not magnetism magnetic separation are you getting it carbon and sulfur ए कौन बोला evaporation solvent extraction you forgot this beta carbon sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide components of milk a centrifugation remember beta milk I showed you last class what component what do you want look beta I have given all this here solvent extraction ye extraction it is sodium chloride and sugar beta both are soluble solid and both have different solubility so fractional crystallization fractional crystallization both are soluble solid na baby both are soluble na
Evaporation.
Salt from seawater evaporation I can do even do distillation also for this, but evaporation is easy. I hope all of you are getting it. What happened here? Yeah, tell me.
The water from the sea evaporate from the sun. What is this?
Very good question.
See, tell me.
Okay, done.
Wait, scientific.
So one question is.
Shall I erase
No, one second.
this girl? Yeah, write it fast.
Yes.
Baby, you are not writing, why?
Kind of.
Done. Hey,
Done.
which one is remaining? Which one is remaining?
सर इसके बाद
यार तो पता तो क्या है? Name two different method in each case for separation. Solid solid mixture है ना बेटा? Mixture है बेटा. But supplementary ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है? Two different method. We can write many things. अरे solid solid में what all methods we had बेटा? तुम लोग सब भूल जाते हो. अरे what man? Will you listen? Will you listen to me? For solid solid what all method we had? Shut your mouth. We had sublimation. Okay. No. Solid liquid that is. Sublimation, magnetic separation, solvent extraction, and fractional. So any two method we have to write. Any two. I have given you all. Out of this, any two you will write. Any two you will write. See, beta, any two right now, baby. What you're waiting for Christmas or what? First. This one we are doing here. First one का. ठीक है? Two at least two we have to write beta, right? ना दूसरा लिख ले. Hey baby, at least two we have to write. चलो. नहीं evaporation कैसे आएगा इधर पे? Second वाला भी देखते हैं ना. Hey, solid and liquid. So solid and liquid, what all we had?
Evaporation.
Look beta, we can either have filtration, sedimentation, evaporation, distillation. So you can write any two out of this. I have written here. Filtration, evaporation, sedimentation, distillation. Any two. Oh boys here, I hope you are writing it or not.
Sir,
कौन मार रही है?
बम्पर सर मैं देख रहा हूँ
बेटा आई नाउ बेटा अगर मैं उठ गया ना तो सब लोग उठ जाओगे धीरे धीरे, ठीक है ना? चलो बेटा, आर यू गेटिंग अदिति बेटा? योर ए लिक्विड एंड लिक्विड विच ऑल मेथड वी हैड? लिक्विड में व्हाट बेबी? लिक्विड में सेपरेटिंग फनल, फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन, राइट बेटा? तो दोनों दो सेपरेटिंग फनल एंड व्हाट बेटा? फ्रैक्शनल
डिस्टिलेशन
डिस्टिलेशन, separating funnel and fractional distillation.
comes to this class, no?
Yeah, no, you have to write full.
सर डी लिखा है, डिस्टिलेशन टीचर भी है बनने के
Hey, Shrab. Hello. Which is the Ash? Hey, gas. Beta, do you remember beta? Gas. Diffusion. Gas is diffusion. And solubility in solvent. One gas will be soluble. Hey baby, one gas will be soluble and another gas will be insoluble. Which is a soluble gas? This is very important, beta. Which is a soluble gas? Hydrogen chloride. Which is insoluble? Nitrogen. I'll throw you all out of the class. Please. Hey, right. Please write the answer. Please write the answer. Diffusion and solubility in solvent.
Diffusion
And solubility in solvent. दो गैस होगा बेटा, तो one will be soluble and one will be insoluble.
में भी एक पता नहीं।
चलो
Are you prepared for Marathi tomorrow?
we are doing today what Marathi man doing today? This chemistry man. Do it chemistry today.
हाँ, जिससे बास्केटबॉल का बोला था सर।
Hey baby, यहाँ जो yeah.
I don't understand Jaya.
Oh really? Complex mixture. एक complex mixture like we have done complex mixture beta. In ink there are different components. So what method we are going to use? Chromatography and centrifugation. Where we have done this beta? Do you remember?
सर फिर
ये देखो ना, complex mixtures, chromatography and centrifugation. This we have done in the textbook. Do you remember? Complex mixture. What is the answer? Chromatography and centrifugation.
Sir, do you watch Italian?
Yeah, that's the amount what this.
Russian.
Chromatography and
Tralala.
Sir,
hasta la vista, baby. Yes. Chromatography and centrifugation. Oy, bas. Yeah.
Chimpanzee भी बनाएंगे।
Getting it, beta. Name an approximate. Two liquids having large difference. Large difference means what, beta? Fractional distillation. Large difference is there, na beta? So fractional. Yeah. What man? First will be what? Fractional distillation. A solid and liquid. Solid is extracted in large amount. Okay. Solution of solid and liquid, and solid is extracted in the large amount. So large. हाँ, लार्ज अमाउंट में नहीं, सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड वो नहीं बोला ना, ये सॉलिड सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड या इवापोरेशन इज पॉसिबल।
सर
फिल्टरेशन होता है बेटा वो, यहाँ पे इवापोरेशन ही आएगा बेटा तुम्हारा, ठीक है ना। It is a solution of solid and liquid is necessary product. लिक्विड को नो, लिक्विड को हम लोग निकालेंगे तो कैसे करते बेटा, डिस्टिलेशन। लिक्विड विल boil and will form vapor and be collected. Hey, this girl here, both of you pay attention here. Okay, distillation. You have not written बेटा ये तीनों का आंसर क्यों नहीं लिखा? What are you doing? Shut your mouth. Copy this now. For first, what it is? Look here. Look here, hey baby. First is fractional distillation. Second is evaporation. And third is distillation.
I did not.
Please stop.
A, it is a solution of gas and liquid, and gas component is desirable. Boil gas will evaporate or not. As you increase beta, the solubility of gas decreases. Boiling. I'll write now. Two liquid, difference in density. Separating funnel. Mixture. Copy this, the remaining three. Okay. Beta, look, all this type of question will come in exam. Yeah, tell me what happened, bro. Tell me.
Sir, yeah.
Go through it. Okay. Chalo. Enough. Hey, this girl here continuously are talking. Shut your mouth and do your work. What's your name? Pranaya what? Pay attention here. Huh? Okay. Boys there? Enough. Hey, name the method in which one solid sublimes on heating.
Stop, Pranaya.
Magnet is attracted. I'm writing short form. Insoluble solid being filtered out. This boy here, pay attention. No. Hey, stop playing. I told you to write in his notes. Why you're not writing? Insoluble sedimentation. The less dense liquid form layer over the more dense. So what we are going to use? Separating funnel. Filtration, man. Low boiling liquid vaporizes and is separated first. Lighter gas diffuses more rapidly than heavier. Highly soluble gas dissolve and non-dissolving gas bubbles out.
Finally, I get you.
Remember बेटा ये डिसॉल्विंग वाला कहाँ पे था? यार ये देख बेटा, अरे किधर गया? Solubility in solvent. This girl here, have you written all this answer? What's your name? Aradhya. Aradhya. Done. Done. Hey, why are you hitting her? Oh. चलो बेटा, done. Let us do. Why don't you just shut your mouth? Mouth. चलो done. Hey, any two example you can give metal, so many metals. Any two, beta. Hey, you can iron and zinc. Non-metal में there are so many.
Chemistry is so hard.
Sulfur, carbon. Metalloid में you can do so many. Boron, silicon. Noble gas is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. बस दो ही मिलेगा. They can write so many. Okay, beta, difference in point. Yeah, difference in point, beta. You can directly will refer the answer, which I have given. I want you to do the important one. Okay, we'll do this. We will, beta, homogeneous mixture of two solids. Two solid. एलॉय में क्या क्या हो सकता है बेटा? ब्रास, ब्रॉन्ज, ये सब तुम्हारा. लिक्विड डायरेक्ट 6 पे आ जाओ. डिस्टिंग्विश बेटा, डिस्टिंग्विश इज वेरी इजी, सो दैट विल डू लेटर ऑन. टू लिक्विड, अल्कोहल एंड वाटर. होमोजीनियस चाहिए ना, तो अल्कोहल प्लस नो. टू लिक्विड नहीं, सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड में सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. लिक्विड carbonated drinks. Aerated drinks. Aerated drinks. Pepsi, Coca-Cola. Pepsi, Coca-Cola. हाँ, Pepsi. मोनोएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल कौन है? नोबल गैसेस. नोबल गैस या सो हीलियम. एटॉमिसिटी चाहिए. ओ माय गॉड, क्या एग्जांपल चाहिए? नो. दे वांट एग्जांपल, आई गेस. लेट अस सी. एग्जांपल चाहिए. एग्जांपल. Oh yeah, they need example, bro. So monoatomic molecule, any noble gas you can write helium, sodium, potassium. Helium, ऐसा. One diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule O2H2N2. Right बेटा? Triatomic कौन है? Ozone. This is P4. Acid. Yeah. नहीं, ये O3, ओजोन ही है बस. ओजोन.
सर मेरे
कैजुअल है थोड़ा तरीका.
सर हमारा नेक्स्ट वाला बहुत ही
हेलो. All are in fact, yeah. No. Okay. Yeah, okay. You all are, continuously creating nuisance in the class. You are continuously talking. Very important thing is going on in the class.
just changing the topic.
No, not at all. Now, okay. Wait. Now, I want to do very important question first. I'll be covering up those questions, beta. And then remaining you will see the answer sheet which I have given, beta. I want you to do this, please. Okay. Now, method column is very important. Chalo, aa jao.
Sir, we skip 7 and 8.
Sediment.
Sir, 7 and 8 skip.
Yeah, that you get that you will. Hey, that you will. If time permits, I'll do that, or you will copy from the answer queue which I have given. Now you can verify also if you have done. Please, बेटा इधर पे आ जाओ. Sediment. Huh? No, sediment is what? The settle, yeah. Keep it. A distillate is what? Distillate is what? What is filter rate? Residue. Adsorption. Are you getting it? Any doubt you tell me, huh, beta? This is very easy. चलो डन डन डन.
इंग्लिश टू की सॉरी मराठी टू
डन 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 डन. Calcium carbonate and water. Hey, one is soluble and one is insoluble and soluble. So which method? Filtration. Ammonium chloride is sublimentary substance and another is non-sublimentary. So sublimation. Sulfur and carbon, one is soluble in solvent, another is not. So solvent extraction. Fe and sulfur, one is magnetic and another is non-magnetic. So magnetic suppression. Carnothree and both are soluble. Both are soluble. So what we are going to do? Fractional distillation is हाँ नहीं नहीं अरे भाई इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं दिया बेटा इन्होंने. नहीं अरे डिस्टिलेशन नहीं होता है, फ्रैक्शनल क्रिस्टलाइजेशन होता है. हाँ इसको क्रिस्टलाइजेशन कर देते बेटा. फ्रैक्शनल क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. प्लीज करेक्ट दिस ऑप्शन. फ्रैक्शनल क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. सैंड एंड वाटर. Sedimentation. Sugar and water. Distillation. Okay. You okay? Let's go to the next part now. Yeah, sure. What happened, beta? It's a washroom. Okay. Okay. Why don't you just shut your mouth and pay attention here? Chalo. Hey, alcohol and water both are soluble. So therefore, what we are going to do, beta? Shut up. Fractional distillation. Oil and water. One is soluble and one is different layer, na? So separating funnel. Hydrogen and oxygen. Diffusion. And ammonia is soluble in water. Shut up. Ammonia and nitrogen to solubility.
Yes, I don't like.
नहीं wait. One is soluble, na beta? Solubility in solvent also we can do. Gas है ना बेटा? Boiling है तो बेटा, but ammonia and nitrogen both can escape. Both can escape. Look beta, अरे whenever one soluble is there, look one gas component is soluble, so it will be always solubility in solvent. ये ले आ गया. देख लो बेटा, ये कहाँ जा रहा है, किधर जा रहा है, वेयर इट इज गोइंग? ईडी known saints
The backbenchers making too much trouble.
How both of you can talk so?
It's actually very fun to talk.
Sir, backbenchers is talking the most. We are very.
You're talking so less.
So backbenchers except Rushan are talking a lot. Let's love them and dance.
Beta, this all I'm doing for you and discussing for you all. So, otherwise, I'll directly tell you, no, just directly look into the solution and do it, and I'll start with other thing. And we are going to do very important part now. Okay, symbols I'm not going to do right now, beta. We are going to go to the main. These are very important, very important. Please. This diagram-based question they every year they ask in your school.
What is that?
Yeah. So what is the name of this apparatus? Separating funnel. Which type of mixture is separated by using this? No, which type पूछा है. Type heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. And of course, you can write oil and of course you can write that oil and water also, beta. So that is it. Okay. So we are doing which one, beta? Match we did. Diagram based question, beta. Yeah. Which type of mixture? Yeah, will be very specific. Two liquids were there, and those two liquid has to be what? Immiscible. Please write this. This was separating funnel. And heterogeneous mixture, that is immiscible liquid also you'll write. Second part में heterogeneous लिखा है और क्या लिखने का? Immiscible liquid. Liquid दो अलग अलग liquid होता है ना बेटा. Type of mixture is immiscible to immiscible liquid. Okay.
What are you doing?
What is the physical property difference between the components? What physical property difference? अरे बोलो. One will be density. So one will be heavier and one will be lighter. One will be heavy. Please. Density difference. What is the difference? You write density difference. Density difference.
Why are you pulling my t-shirt?
Sir, it's about my
पीछे बैठने में पता नहीं कुछ तो कुछ होता है उसमें मैं
बेटा तू है ना वो ब्राउन वाली चेयर पे चला गया. ब्राउन वाले. हाँ, so let it be. No.
Look what she's doing in the middle of class.
What, wake up? It's okay. It's okay. Not a problem. Density difference. Now, what is the next important point here? Which component comes out heavier or more denser? Heavier. Give one example of the mixture. Oil plus water. Oil plus water. Okay.
Actually, I thought it was spelling heavy.
एक मिनट बेटा. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Tell me. Yeah, tell me. Oh, ma'am, but I'm not there today, right now. Because I'm there on Thursday. So you can come below. If you see below, there is a even arcade you got, beta. Ma'am. Hello. So on the second floor, it is there are two classrooms. One is 2011 and 2013. Hello. Yeah, same that even arcade only. Even arcade, but I think the classroom will be closed because I am not there today because I am there only on Thursdays and
something that's like buzzing.
Classroom will be closed. Second floor. Yeah, second floor 211 and 232 classroom we have. Physics is of chemistry and mathematics in my class. Same. Yeah. Same class. Two classrooms are there. Two and no. Yeah. 211 and 230. Okay.
Yes.
Hello. Listen. Please, beta. Okay. This is very important here. Hey, this girl here. What's your name? Shanaya Malhotra, right now. Beta, you can see this. This, if you go to village side, they do this. We call it as winnowing. Hey, they will use the wind direction. Yeah, winnowing we do na beta. Then air will blow and lighter husk particle will get carried away and all the grains will fall down heavier. हाँ गाँव में तो name the method of this separation. So what you will write beta? Winnowing. If you want to take the spelling, take down the spelling. Winnowing.
No, that's the way.
Okay. Now this we do for beta. I told you now who will get carried away by air? Husk. And heavy particle will settle down. So, okay. So if A is a mixture, so in A we have both wheat and husk. Who will get carried away? B कौन है बेटा? हवा से कौन उड़ के जाएगा? B is husk. And C is what? Wheat falling down. Okay, I'll write here. C is wheat. A, B is husk. You can write here also. What is the physical property difference between B and C? Weight. Lighter and heavier, na beta? So difference is what, beta? Weight. Difference in mass, you can write. Difference in mass, you can write. Okay? One is lighter and one is heavier. One is lighter and one is heavier.
I think so.
Oh, really? You are joking? Listen here. What is going on? Now, listen, all of you. Name the method of separation. What type of mixture is separated by? Yeah, wait. देखो बेटा यहाँ पे नीचे क्या है? Heavy particle. Above is lighter particle. Right ना बेटा? So lighter. Yeah.
Oil and water.
Yeah. No, not oil and water. I'll show you. Look, beta, we did this. Arey, beta, we did this. I am showing you this. Beta, listen now carefully. Look, beta, this method. Can you see what was this heading, beta? Here, heavier particle is here. Above particle will, the lighter one will decantation. And the lower part is what? This lower part is what? Sediment. Right now? So, what we will call it as first method is what, beta?
Decantation.
Yeah, decantation. Name the method of separation.
Kabir, shut up. Decantation.
What type of mixture is separated by this? Yeah, but lighter. Solid liquid तो होगा बेटा लेकिन but what insoluble solid and liquid. So so what you ना बेटा insoluble solid and liquid mixture they have told ना बेटा, and in that solid must be heavier. Solid must be heavier ना बेटा. There is no spider over here, okay? Why don't you just pay attention? Okay, this girl here.
सर इसको टिश्यू पेपर चाहिए
तू atom bomb का लिख करना है.
Okay.
So
A
it will only stop
heavier
floating when you do the high thing.
heavier particle is what, beta? Your heavier particle is what? Sediment. And clear liquid is
Sand and heart is
no. So this is what your what do you call this? हाँ तो sediment. And what do you call this? A हाँ तो that is decant. हाँ lighter particle. Decant liquid ना बेटा. अरे नेम उसका होता है decant, clear liquid.
No, sir. No, it's weekend sign.
Okay, are you getting it, beta?
That's one.
Okay, this is very easy. This is sieving. Okay, this is sieving. Okay, last A. The in final exam they asked this question in your school. This question was asked. Okay, but we'll do first sieving. What is the name of the method? Yeah, write it. Sieving spelling if you want. One component must be smaller and one should be bigger. One should be able to pass through that hole, right? And one should not be able to pass. What is the name of the apparatus? What is the name of the instrument? Yeah, chandi means sieve. Sieve. So look, this spelling you see properly, huh? Sieving, sieve, hello. What is the difference? That also is given, na beta? One component must be smaller to pass through and one should be bigger, not pass through it.
Sir, I just want one should pass.
Other should not. Yeah, very good. Acha beta, this is very, very important. This was asked in your school exam also. So let us, shall we go to that part, beta? Yeah. This is very, very important. Okay. Can you see this, beta? Hey. Wait, we have done this. Very, very important. So, yeah, tell me. Yeah. So, on a fractional distillation. Have you written this boy, that boy there, and this girl there? You're not brought the notes and continuous. You're talking. What is going on? Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
So you should just say stop.
State the physical property difference between the component. What is the difference in boiling point? Very important. Difference in boiling point. What are A and B? What is the name of this instrument? A को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं बेटा? What is this A? Fractionating column. Please, this is very important. This was asked in your school also. What is this A? Fractionating column. अरे last test में. Fractionating column. What is this B? हाँ, B is your flask. Okay. So, but flask का भी हम लोग नाम लिखेंगे बेटा. No. The boiling point differ. Fractionating flask. You will not write only flask. You will write fractionating flask. Fractionating flask. C ना बेटा, C था कि B? Then what they've asked? C is a mixture of acetone and water. Then what will be D? ए whose boiling point is less? एसीटोन ना, तो सबसे पहले कौन आएगा? एसीटोन. What is the word used for the collected liquid D? इसको क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Distillate. Very good बेटा. Distillate. फोर्थ वन बेटा. Then what would be D? तो एसीटोन. वेट, बाकी ये बीच में हम लोग ने स्किप किया था वो करवा रहा हूँ गया हूँ. नो, 5 more minutes are there, babe. Okay, now, A, please, I want you to write this. What is the now? A, what is the name of this? What is the name of this condenser? What is the name of this condenser? Yeah, very good. Liebig's condenser. What is the name of this? I want you to write this. Beta, although it is A, what is the name of this condenser, baby? Write it. Liebig's condenser. Yeah, this they have not given, but you just write this. Liebig's cold water runs. Hot vapors will condense. Yeah, condense. They will. I want you to know the name of this. Okay. Now, A. A. What is the symbol for hydrogen? Helium is अरे एल्यूमिनियम का हीरे लो. झिंक झिंक. AU. AU. झिंक झिंक झिंक. Okay, enough. I hope all of you have done this. Let her write. Baby, write fast.
Sir, gold is AU. No?
AU.
Sir,
Aurum. Aurum. Okay.
Sneezing into the paper, then you are looking at it.
Copper. Fe. Argentum. Hello.
AG silver and sodium.
Mercury. Hydrogyrum. Hi. Chalo beta, that's all for today. Bye bye everybody. Outside right.